welcome to my lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Zaki bin Hassan. My name is Nurhazimah binti Habib Hanifah, metric number A19B1197. So today I'm going to explain about the points of human resource. First, I will explain about the common trait of Family Mart's employees. Based on the integrated report of 2019 that has been issued by Family Mart, it stated that the common traits of its employees is based on their gender, age group, marital status, and educational background. Family Mart make wise employees hired based on gender, but most of the employees that were hired until February 2019 are 6,045 million around the world, and the ratio of female employees is 15.9 million, with 3.4 million of them having manager position. For the marital status, Family Mart did not focus on hiring employees with single status only, but also hired them who are married, especially male. Family Mart sources for new employees is by offering a vacancy on their website and walk-in interview. If we open the website of Family Mart, we can see the career section on it at the top right of the website. Then we can click on it. It will show the vacancy pages where people can choose their level of position that they want to apply for and their specialization that is offered on Family Mart. Besides that, the Human Resource Management already listed the position that has a vacancy, followed by the store location and the level or specialization that they want to hire. People who are interested by their specialization who are not listed, they still have an opportunity to send their resume. Their employees' loyalty towards Family Mart can be evaluated based on how Family Mart appreciates their employees. Firstly, it can be seen that their respective group companies continuously execute various measures including education and training activities for officers and employees, and the establishment for an internal reporting system and a point of contact for consulting. Besides, there are advancing healthy and productivity management measures because managing the health of individuals underpins their ability to fully realize their talents. Family Mart's goal is for employees to take charge of their own health so that they can work healthy and with vitality. Then, the employees' loyalty will be increased because Family Mart are conducting a range of incentives to increase each employee's awareness of work style reform, including a company-wide no overtime day, a finish work by 8 p.m. rule, and a paid leave promotion month. Further, with a total of 2,000 actual working hours in fiscal 2020 as a target, the President and other members of the senior management team are taking the lead in efforts to improve the work environment and have established a work style reform declaration. The employees in Family Mart are all well trained because Family Mart has taken action such as the establishment of the risk management and compliance community and a compliance education at each group company. Based on the status of such action, the company conducts education and training regarding compliance and risk management at group companies and providing training materials to the group companies, and further provide advice and guidance on the improvement of relevant rules and the streamlining of systems. The training period will take around 2 to 3 months, and this happens in the store in each daily business hour operations. Family Mart were happy to be working with the company. This is because of the advantages and benefits that they have received while working in the company. Family Mart has a good management that taking care of their employees' mental and physical health. Besides that, the basic salary offered in Family Mart is higher than other food and beverages companies. In addition, Family Mart get to create a great working culture in their business that make employees happy and comfortable during working hours.